Philippines.
Okay. Attorney, si Master Judea po ulit, ano? Ngayon po, tapos na yung confirmation of charges, ano? And itong mga kababayan kasi natin is talagang hopeful pa rin sila na maganda ang kahihinatnan nitong investigasyon dyan sa ICC. Now, from confirmation of charges, how long are we going to wait para lumabas po, bago lumabas itong desisyon? At ano po ang mangyayari after nito?
Okay. You mentioned about time
Yes po, time frame.
frame. Meron pong 60 days for the pre-trial chamber to resolve the issue on the confirmation of charges.
Apo.
On the second question is ano yung outcome? There are three possible outcomes po.
Apo.
Una, if the prosecution was able to prove, and the standard of proof is actually substantial evidence, to bring the case to trial, then the charges will be confirmed. Kung hindi naman sapat yung ebidensya na pinakita during the confirmation of charges hearing, then the charges will be denied and the case will be dismissed and Mayor Rudy will be released from detention and brought home to the Philippines. That would be the consequence. The third outcome is kung makita ng judges na hindi sapat to confirm but may direct the prosecution on two things. Una, to reduce the charges kasi hindi sapat yung ebidensya to support the charge of crimes against humanity, or magkala pa ng additional evidence to support the charges. So basically, out of these three options, ang what we would have to expect is the only option that we would be expecting is the dismissal of the charges. Kasi yung dalawa, yung kung ma-confirm yung charges po, ang mangyari nito, trial will proceed and he will remain in detention. And on the third option that I mentioned, if the judge, the pre-trial chamber judges will say na ibalik natin sa prosecution, he will still remain in detention. So yun po ang gusto nating mangyari, mai-dismiss yung charges para makauwi na siya, si Tatay Digong.
What if po, kung halimbawa, sabihin na natin, na katulad ng sinasabi nila, na ito daw ay politically motivated. So, ano po kaya ang pwedeng mangyari dito? May pag-asa pa ba na makauwi siya if this is politically motivated?
Si Mayor Rudy, sinabi niya na sa waiver niya na ang posibilidad na doon na siya manatili at posibleng mamatay, tinanggap niya na yan.
Okay.
Actually, when I read the waiver, this is just my personal thought on the matter kasi kilala natin si Mayor Rudy way back when he was still mayor, ano. Ang ginawa niya ng waiver na yon, he was able to speak to the court and to the Filipino people yung damdamin niya, no? Kaysa sa confirmation of charges hearing, mga abogado lang magsasalita dyan. But he was given that chance to speak from his heart to the court and to the Filipino people. What does that mean? Sabi niya na, mukhang dito na ako, tinanggap ko na yung kapalaran ko na dito ako mamamatay. So, napaisip ako, that will make the ICC powerless from here on. Kasi whatever the decision of the ICC, tanggap naman niya. Kung ma-dismiss, mapauwi, okay. Pero kung hindi naman, tanggap niya na kung ano mangyayari. So, I like to say this, I'm not demeaning or disrespecting those who have died. No? But our focus here is on the suspect. By the way, tawag sa kanya, suspect pa kasi wala pang confirmation of the charges against him. So, that said, napangunahan niya yung ICC at yung mga umaatake sa kanya, at tanggap niya na ang kanyang kapalaran. So, pero tuloy pa rin tayo sa paghahanap ng hustisya, sa paghahanap ng at patuloy yung pagdadasal at suporta kasi nakakarating sa kanya. Nakakarating talaga sa kanya yan. At that will give him more motivation and the will to live and to continue living despite his being frail, old, sickly, uh, at by the way, malamig ang lugar dito. Yan ang isang bagay na ayaw niya. Ayaw niya sa malamig na lugar. Pero nevertheless, have gone through this for almost 1 year now. So hopefully he will continue to fight his own fight because we are there behind him. And he knows that.
Attorney, si Banat Bay po. What can you say to those people na nagsasabi na Attorney Kaufman is just using emotional argument doon sa kanyang closing remarks and mga pointers niya po?
Okay, I like to be fair on that one para klaruhin ko lang itong sasabihin ko. When the prosecution, especially yung dalawang Filipino lawyers were saying that Mayor Rudy was a murderer, and they even went, as I've said earlier, bloodthirsty, Mini Duterte clones, which I really felt very insulted, and I'm sure a lot of you were. They were also saying that children were murdered across the country. Yun ang sinasabi nila. Ngayon, that's one characterization of the man which to us is absolutely false. Now, Attorney Kaufman is in his closing statement, he mentioned about the statement of his encounter with the president last Wednesday, which basically was the same in almost every visit that Attorney Kaufman and his team would go through when they visit the president. Ang sinasabi ni Attorney Kaufman sa akin na almost every day na bumibisita sila. Kaya either to discuss the case or simply to keep him company. Ganun po yung kailangan natin gawin, yung ginagawa nila. Now, yung sinabi po ni Attorney Kaufman, if I have to say this, was sincere, authentic, and factual. Kasi kilala natin si Mayor Rudy, si Tatay Digong. Yung mga sinasabi niya patungkol doon sa I wish to be remembered as a faithful servant of the people, alam natin yan. So, hindi gawa-gawa ni Attorney Kaufman yan. Ano? Galing talaga yan kay Mayor Rudy, yung mga salita ng ganyan. At nakaka-relate tayo dun sa mga sinasabi niya because we have known him. I like to say this on a personal note. I am privileged enough to know him a little bit more of him than those who have been criticizing him. So, yun ang gusto kong sabihin sa lahat na totoo yung sinabi ni Attorney Kaufman. If it appeals to emotion, let it be that way. But I state for the record that it was authentic, it was factual, and sincere insofar as what we know of the president. Having said that, meron ng dalawang characterization ng tao before the judges. Ang sinasabi sa kabila, murderer, pumapatay ng mga bata. On the other side, a very compelling closing statement of Attorney Kaufman saying an entirely, completely different story about Mayor Rudy. So, yun po ang gusto kong sabihin. Even on a very level-headed manner,